Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a clever way to join 4 pieces of angle iron with a metal pipe right in the center. As you can see, simply placing the pipe in the middle doesn't work. It leaves gaps and won't be a solid joint. Let's start by marking our angle irons for a precision fit. I'll use this thin rod as a guide. Position it diagonally across the corners and mark the intersection points carefully. We need to repeat this marking process for all 4 pieces. Taking the time to get these lines exact is what makes the final result look professional.
Now it's time to cut. Using an angle grinder, carefully follow the lines we just marked. Always remember to wear your safety gear. Take your time with these cuts to ensure you have clean, sharp edges for a tight fit. With the cuts finished, let's see how they line up. Look at that! All 4 pieces now meet perfectly at a single point in the center, creating a solid, symmetrical base. Next, we need to prep the pipe. Wrap a piece of paper around the pipe to find the exact circumference. Flatten the paper out and fold it into 4 equal segments. Then use a ruler to draw straight horizontal lines across those folds. This ensures our cutouts will be perfectly spaced around the pipe. Now, use a scrap piece of angle iron to mark the triangular profile onto the paper template. Once the lines are drawn, carefully cut out the triangles. This template is the key to getting a snug fit without any guesswork. Wrap the template back onto the pipe and mark the cutouts with your marker. After you've traced all 4 triangles, you can see exactly where the metal needs to be removed. Carefully remove the marked sections from the end of the pipe. You can use your grinder or a cutting tool for this. And there you have it. The pipe slides right over the 4 angle irons for a flawless interlocking join. It's a simple and effective solution for your next metalwork project. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever tried welding 2 pipes together, only to find they don't fit perfectly? Tack welding a loose joint often results in blow-throughs and weak connections. Let's fix that with a professional technique. First, clean up the pipe end with an angle grinder for a fresh surface. Then, using a square, mark a point a few centimeters from the edge. Wrap a strip of paper around the pipe to mark a clean, straight circumference line.
Next, we'll create a custom cutting template. On a scrap piece of paper, draw a straight guideline and mark a specific section. We'll label this In. Cut this tab out carefully. This template will be the key to our perfect sleeve joint. Align your paper template with the line on the pipe and trace the outline onto the metal. Use a straight edge to extend those marks down to the end of the pipe, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned before we cut. Now for the metalwork. Follow your lines precisely with the angle grinder to remove a small segment of the pipe's diameter. This allows the pipe to be resized. Once the cut is made, remove the scrap and smooth out any burrs. Place the pipe on a sturdy surface or anvil. Gently hammer around the cut section to slightly taper the metal. This shaping process allows it to slide snugly inside the connecting pipe. Test the fit. See how easily they slide together now? It's a tight, professional joint with no gaps. Finish by placing tack welds around the seam. This method ensures a strong, perfectly aligned connection every time. Thanks for watching.